In this video, I'll guide you through how to check plagiarism in Grammarly. Whether you're a student, a professional writer, or just someone who wants to ensure the originality of their work, checking for plagiarism is an important step. Thankfully, Grammarly offers a straightforward plagiarism detection tool that can help you with this task, provided you have a paid account. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, you need to head over to app.grammarly.com. Make sure you're logged into your paid Grammarly account. It's important to note that this plagiarism detection feature is available only for paid subscriptions, so if you're using the free version, you won't have access to this tool. Once you're logged in, you have two options to start. You can either click on New to create a new blank document, or click Upload to import an existing document. This can be a Word document with the extension .docx, a text file with the extension .txt, or even a PDF. Whichever option you choose, Grammarly will open the document in its editor for further processing. Now, take a look at the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. You'll see a button labeled Plagiarism, represented by a quotation mark icon. Go ahead and click on that. This will initiate the plagiarism check. After clicking the plagiarism button, give it a few seconds. The engine will start calculating text matches across billions of web pages and academic papers. It's doing quite a thorough job, so a little patience will go a long way. Once the analysis is complete, Grammarly will display a total originality or similarity percentage score at the top of the panel. This score indicates how much of your text is original compared to the sources it has found online. Remember, only an account with a paid subscription to Grammarly can view the contents of this analysis. If you're collaborating with someone else who might need to see this report, ensure they also have access to a paid account. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to check for plagiarism in your work using Grammarly. By following these steps, you can ensure that your writing maintains its originality and integrity. If you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing for more tips on using Grammarly and other writing tools. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.